Hi Nick, this video will show you the the third and fourth line of the Chopin Prelude today. Meanwhile, I'll call it the top line and the bottom line. Actually, we'll show you the difference between the top and the bottom. The right hand sounds very much the same. This is the top line. Now the bottom line. Okay, here's the difference. As for left hand, this is the top line. Now the bottom line. Similar, style similarly. Different now. Together slowly. Top line. Watch how F flat meets E. Now bottom line. So happy practicing this week.